Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get rid of widgets on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains your Windows 11. And of course, if you're a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and actually upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. You will have you will have the option, of course, to let the download or installation of Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. And once the download finished, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you'll find your Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, if you upgrade from Windows 10 into 11, you will not receive or you not any of your files will not be deleted, even personal files or apps. So don't worry about that. Nothing will be deleted. And of course, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 for any reason. But I bet when you get used into the Windows 11, you will even like it much better. So as we said, is we would like to get rid of the widgets on the Windows 11. Of course, you will find it on your taskbar, and as you can see, I don't have it here because I already get rid of it. But I will show you the steps how to do it. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your settings with the shortcut that of course the Windows have, which is the Windows I, or you can just go and open your settings with your regular way. Now, what you would like to do is just go and click into this personalization on the left tab panel. Once you are here, scroll down a bit and click add this taskbar option. Of course, you will not care about this system tray icon, so let's just close that. And here, if you have the widgets here, make sure that you will find it on your settings here on taskbar items. And as you can see, the widget now on my taskbar. If I want to get rid of it, all I need to do is just turn it off, and of course other stuff if it's annoying you. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.